Amaiga mange mwancho murigereria andonsi asore na gokwandre mbere mona soko chorige tasenye kiga ye Soko TV ase obutko bwega bwikome na gatatu mutinyo mutangani omwaka oyiga o 2026 nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi karibu sana ensane yamo ya bona botukende tosange na kumanya araria ya aenekiwe kuru ase chinsi nyonye chense anemono ase tokumurekera orogongo rwagusi e county ya Kisii e county ya Nyamira nechi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere na manga aenekiwe bariki baito bamangana babekire kambi na bayasangiria senchirerengia ikaransa bono iketo kumanya nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi, Brian Achaka, Barnabas Ondari na Felistas Kabendi na butogochia kubwatara na kwenekia marigune chibicha na chikugochera senchirerengia na bali bonsi bago tubwatia sensemo yemitandao ya Kerero, Facebook na YouTube na bago tonyora buna Soko TV elinde tosange ase obwamo. Emesa yama yakuru Soko ensa eyamo achakira bono.
Day 2 litkoria kabera soko receive abana ba grade 10. Abana bakire ndocha sabange osobonge ndoche lero ikira abana karibu 200 igonto expected kifaka sinchiro skuru yeto nigere skuru ya stream ikomi
Skuru ya sekondari ya Hema Chitago kurikyo mubaro monene bwa borkwa be grade ya 10.
Nimekuja hapa kuangalia kazi ambayo inaendelea. Tuko na partners wetu kutoka US.
Mugavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo gokoreta arase nyagitari ya Nyamira korotota bo bari bwabo sobogendrete.
I've witnessed what is arguably one of the most violent, chaotic and controversial campaigns ahead of the
Nikiombe kiabaigiriri bo bwene bwa mwanyabantu komochia ekiombe kyobochoria ase ensi ya Uganda. Karibu sana mwancho murigereria bono butuko bwarero tugochaka noroboti rukubwatia aso mugavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo igori tukoria rero hatara usakoretaro ya bene ase enyagitari ya Nyamira korotota obobari bwabusa obobogendreta ase enyagitari eyo obobari obo bono bogokorwa n'abanyagitari kurwa ase chinse cheisco nigo bono burakoreke eikengima nigo bono mugavana Nyaribo hatebire buna county yeyo nechi komenta shilingi 1 million 2 ase budget eyo erigo chiakonekia amarioga ase enyagitari echo ngoikira nare ase enchiringia Debora Kerubo agotumanya ase enchira yobwikira
Omugavana wa kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo litukoria rero nigatarire nyagitari nene ya Nyamira irikorotota bo bari bwabo sabogendreta ase nyagitari eyo obo bari obo nigo bogokorwa n'abarwaria kurwense ya USA tinga kibono borwari obo buragenderera gwika litukoria ijuma nigo Nyaribo atebire buna kaunti ya Nyamira nigegotia komenta 1 million 2 ase budget eri okogora amarioga ase nyagitari eyo
Samarieta na Amos Nyaribo mugavana wa Nyamira County. Yona cha korigereria ikia abanyagitari tobwate corporation abaromo kori Missouri in the United States of America barengeta 31 na ndito karoise timu ya 31 wagendera kora barwaire abandu babarirwe abandu babekire raini yona kina aja korega se yendete ngakire na urega sinengiye genderata naende ndocha abantu bakira so bonge babangite ko babaka ichuma na baboririe onyemba wo extend bachibaira ne bwango iga ikiara abantu abana bangi baro bako prepared abasacho ni baito bagendera ko babwenya lakini asenje nambe nene we requesting them was just sooner than planned lakini gazi wika Friday na batokora ya bakorire docha bari abweni wembare happy na ndembare no kwegena na babweni
Omurai bw'abarwari abo kurwa Medical Mission Foundation USA nigagokera oburai bw'omugavana Amos Nyaribo asoko bari bagaria bene iliyo kurwa bokoreri bwabo guchia sabamenyi b'ensemo ya Nyamira.
Mimi ni mkaji wa US ingawa nimezaliwa Nandi na mimi ndio team lead ya group ambayo imekuja kutoka Medical Mission Foundation kutoka Marekani. Na kwanza kabisa ningependa kuwashukuru governor na timu yake ambao wametualika kuja hapa kwa sababu tungefanyia hii mahali pengine, mnatoka Nandi County, tungefanya Nandi County, lakini ile wheel haikuwa. Sasa tukaenda mahali kuna wheel. Yes. There's a wheel here. Na tumekuja na tumepata support na we've been able to help people that needed the help. That is what we do as Medical Missions Foundations. We go where the need is, and we found the need here. And of course, you see there's a lot of people, and even though we're not able to finish the task during this visit, we'll be able to come back again to continue the work that we've started. In my opinion, I feel like we've been welcomed very well. This is a great county to come to, great people, and you have great leadership as well. And the hospital leadership has been fantastic. So we received wonderful care, wonderful and amazing entrance to the hospital the other day. Yes. So we are happy. Our team continues to work, and we'll try to do everything we can in order to help those that are in need. Yes. Now there are times where we can't help everybody, right? But we'll come back and finish what we started.
Abamenyi be kaunti ya Nyamira anene mono bali banyoro kugwenigwa nigo bagwakira obukoreri bwa abanyagitari abo ase bakira omugabana Nyalibombi yasokore ntabagwenya korwa chinse cheisiko
biasano mungino na kale kindo mucho Nairobi garia nga kirwesimi ngatebunga mangana gari ngatume gari bwangu nge kamnyoka ikaikyo mungone kerenya gakorwe yakoretwe lakini ikapita ya kale na ambulance ye county yeito akamnyoki ugaiga na bakoretwe gasi ingia ntwasine tuno mwana nyasa utoseniri ikorera ngo ba discharge dikurugai.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Bibano homo rikito Deborah Kirubo asoko tumanya senchira yobo ikero mwancho muregere totigarita se county ya Nyamira. Mubaromoke bwa boroki wa grade ya 10 nigo oesokire erigo so ase chiskuru au ritukoria kabererera ase county yo abatendri be chiskuru korwa ase bunge North Mugirango na West Mugirango nigo bono bagukwana nabuna kiringa abaibori nigo abange barentire aboroki wa abatabwati school fees na boigo aboroki wa bande basinyirwe bosegonchoreria ekoenekia goso ase chiskuru chiri baganeti maminjana chiri banya takwa bagochorwa ne serikali Murikito Steven Nyariki agotumanya senchira y'ubikira
Mubaromoke nigo enekiwe ase aboroki wa bagoso grade 10 ase senior school sime county ya Nyamira ase ritukeriga ria kabere ase taro ya Nsoko TV ase bunge ya North Mugirango ase skuru ya Magonge SDM Mixed skuru ya Kibabe Girls skuru ya St Francis Gekendo skuru ya Ikongi Girls Amonenkinda nigabatene be skuru bereire mechando ya beiraro yo konyora abana ba grade 10 asikiria bakweranga nene mono aboroki wago sinywa go chenje chi skuru chiri abarangeretiwe nonye ekere baborirwe njira yo wakane school fee
abanafunzi ba grade 10 amainen nabatoto bangatana kutera bangia kuna twa expected. We have received around 10 students, but then we expect to receive more students in the course of this week. Igato wapiga survival kuna kerokenda bya kunyare karanga no gwate challenges TFE egente kenene ene wiki ya kabere ya masomo yetam to ba request morata abana baino
kiege ntongere twarote keregetali gorombe abayiburi okoranga bara prepare buya morata abana school nonye ujumi kera enkong toko batebinga ase the best investment bandu no koiro mwano school
office bande babo mbagwati uniform bande babo mbagwati the necessary ibintu biri bitakeire irinde umwana anya waswa boarding abandi abatagite ko bade scholars nandi still mbari ko nyara gwakana einero yatoberere challenge enene kero mwiburi agocha akanete chiri bubere lakini rende toko mwalao agenda anya kuri kichibesa nkenkenke elinde bae umwaka okwera onyoru wakana
grade 10 and also the school fees is a big challenge. So many parents have placed transfer request, but some have gone through, but they are unable to bring the children to school. They lack the requirements. In the system, when you download the letter, it only shows the fee for boarders, it is 40,000 for school, secondary school. So they come and inquire about the school, give them the school is when they go and start preparing. It's a big challenge.
Requesting about support your school, then korere lakini kobe ngoro gene asama gacho nere itakire enyore boosting especially ni rap sabana bakora science tokoboria barista goda sibatakonye no muchumbe bato apurigiri rap tuarite modern facilities rap era room lakini jiba kirime pero siria update
ase ya West Mogrango ase school Mone skuru ya Makairo ebichane re yeyo ase goikabono mubaromoke konyorene kiwa boro kiwa ase kiriachi skuru bakweranga igaboro kwanke bataraesokia so ase skuru echo bene cyo etwe ebitatu bakonyara ko abakosomia.
And we received approximately 100 students. The day was slow yesterday, we only received around 100 students. But this morning, I've seen quite a number of reporters, and we reckon about.
If you strike whatever. But nevertheless, whatever to recover accommodate, na kuwaini college, batutigira abana, baende kulijiweza. So, whatever little wali wagonya wabwa tenkeiro, nitutuko walisi, tuadvise umwiboli, agende kulijiweza.
Asenzemo ya baibori bakwana nensoko nigo bereiro bokongu bwabeiro bwakane school fee igento kiagere gotanga abana bange kobera isiko
ndo chempia mbora bike lakini na mnyoka na rigikire ndeiga kiagera biro bibiga ni bitoko beka mwana school.
Steven Nyarike Mude, Ensoko TV county ya Nyamira.
Toska bosio mwanchumo rigereria korene totigareta sengana echisemi ase county ya Kisii bono mega yeskuru ya Nyacheki township egotoka ase ward ya Nyacheki nsemo ebunge abo basi county ya Kisii eyo etamanyekaini mono na ende achaka ase miaka ebere ya etire kwene kya gokoria buya samatemo KCSE omwako eta akorikia emini ya 5.5 na ibere nigo bono mutendere bwe skuru eyo oyo manyekaine buna Thomas Menge aene kirie buna nigo no nyabara ase skuru yo Montobene nigo babwate emechande Menge yechibesa na monekero bakwene kya gosomia abana bari batari kwenyara bose chintakana ase bono banyare ko babagweta matemu na gokoria buya sebaganire gosiro kuru ase serikali abo igo kwene kya kuru kuboria gocha saba bori kwene kya bunango semia bare abana babo buna kuba ya Ankyo muri kitope twel machini akotomanyia senchero ibwikira
ametenda mema huyu Yesu ndio maana mimi namba sifa
Kurasa magacho waikase nsemere togokagira eskuru ya sekondari ya Nyacheki township wase county ya Kisii ne isan na isato chino isan etaro eto na mutendwe eskuru asere recommend kana kumubaro bwa barukiwa be grade ya 10 no nyaba bwatu bwe eskuru ya
actually from yesterday as we opened, we have actually trying to receive several number of runners, and actually we have received runners of senior schools approaching to 70, and actually the grade 10 runners who have much to report, they are around 50. As far as that, this school actually has moved from far and it's heading to far. What is there? We are actually urging our people, the surrounding community in Nyacheki area to come in and try to interact with us so that we make this community.
Emechando yokoburwa ogosiro wechibesa siskuru yo egosira abana chintakana abo asamatemu aeta baeta buya kuchechi university na kobodi serikali wesonne gachina kobasira na barubo boigo na chiskuru chabantu nyene.
Mostly the challenge to with us private schools actually in terms of finance chibese chiko twara ejisiden nduriko chatwa nyara bible ndru ikira bible bare ngaine unabona tisia actually I have been handling around 11 total oven whereby I was supporting them fully, and those runners have actually there were 5 girls and 6 boys, whereby those actually boys they managed to get P minus, and 3 girls of those number of 5 they managed to get P minus, and the 2 managed to get C plus. Whereby I want to urge the government If like could also we are like the same states of the land of we have, actually they need to compensate us in terms of giving us finance. We are acknowledging our government, wherever we are also even private schools, they consider ourselves most likely, as well as when we faced actually the challenges of mostly like the finance states, whereby I mostly actually when in terms of trying to have some teachers who are being trained from the universities, who are handling these runners, they need also to compensate ourselves.
Abaibuli nigo boigo baboriwe osomia bana babo na bwenguba ya ankyo.
Irabana chisukuru na chichire engubo ya itoboniga na chisemi na kiyima omwana mumutangani asobo Kristo na kiyima omwana nali aranyoro mwerekeo ligo chimutwe Nyasaye oli goranjiro tokonyire una gusito seniri matemu gagosoka buya abagusiba minto irabana monsi sukuru na ende mutiga mangane byasale binge byasale binene irabana sukuru. Urging our community once again, let us come together, let us build our society by engaging all having a collaboration of runners and teachers and parents to build our nation.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kuroiga akaunti ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin. Toska bosio mwanchumo rigaria sengana yende ye chisemi. Eskuru ya sekondari ya Hema Chitago heyo here eskuru ya ime ya borkiwa haba murana boigo abanyaruka hegotoka sense moye bunge ya Nyaribari Masaba akaunti ya Kisii nigo yarikire omubaro monene bwa borkiwa begire digi 10 abwase wono mwarimu monene bwa eskuru yo manyakaine buna Meshak Orure hanyare ko baga kuruko boria uchiasa abaibori ko barenta borkiwa begire digi 10 asekere buna nigo eskuru yo hebwata magacho aisaine maiga eskuru yo gokoria buya ase amatemi yo mwaka wechirubere 2025 anemono nigo bono ya yesabire serikali nyara ko bagi kubwatoka habarimu habo barikirane serikali iri kwikirania amaganyo yo ko barigania na ko baine kya borko ankonyora bari chisemi echo chisaina semiroberio ye chisemi che secondary chegoro bose senior secondary school.
Principal Meshak Orure ne principal ya Hema High School Chitago ye gotoka Nyaribari Masaba South Sub County. Rero day 2 litukoria kabera sokorisiba abana ba grade 10 abana ba kirendo cha sabange osobonge ndoche rero ba ikira abana karibu 200 igonto expected kifakansi njiro skuru yeto ni gere skuru ya stream ikomi igonto expected nga abana bande mbaje lakini ndengo irali bageli kotebya abaibori nga eskuru ye yakora amatemu biya sana abana bagahita bakwenda university abange naende kipathways kirichons pito kora nchirororo igo toko baarigania baibori mudara koreta abana ba grade 8 still kifakansi nchiro elinde banyare ko gosomi wa facilities ye skuru ito ikoruko Hema Chitago osiribuya nebwate kitom chisaine na nebirasi bisaine nande birosiribuya ebirabu the environment nigerengi asabana gosoma saidi yayo abari Mumbai saina abari ba TSC to bwata abari musaidi ya 35 ba TSC abana baitumbuya bakoragrama nande baigota discipline nigere ya igoro nande skule nige yanje tomo ne Nyasaye igo abana baito nigo bagokinwe kemoika nande basemiwa chinchere chingiya ngake bamenyete nabari mbaito mbare very dedicated asoko race abana aba elinde kerbaho cyo kurwa baba bantu baranyare ko komenya namana abantu.
Asoro botironde mwancho murigeria rokubwatakana ne chisemi se county ya Nyamira bone gati yabemenye kurwa se bunge North Mugirango nigo bono bagokeire hegetambokero yokongea hase obwagachi bwa University ya Nyamira eyira chiekoba university ase ensemo University ya Kisii bagokwana sobwagachi obo bagendreta sensemo ya Kiabanyoru hewodi ya Itibo nigo bono bamwakire mbuya mono mujumbe wensemo yo Muske Joash Nyamoko amone serikali nene asokwene kemirobero yungu ikiranira senchirerengia.
samarieta angoro kuna dorike ele singororo nonde niya bae university nane gotebyo monto minto koro kuna cho asinyamoko tiganya samo sasa ni naenda morende ekiagara gaiga una letira university eye abana baito bare gochakobeke bago ebibago yeso ko basasa ni ari banze gokorega sigaiga ya maboko wongera korumambia koruri tukoria tomorrow ega singwa ngoterega oyo bwata binyoni biaje una chembwate mesiari simegete una bono nale tamatoka igo nyanja tamboreti
simiremo ya mabokanya moko oyo toretire asegeti gya kiabonyoru yaitu twayiganyerera amatuka mange university eiche lakini finally twanyorire turakita kya kironchi gendera temiremo tukuiranerie president yaitu ngambia mono oyo minto nyamoko mbia mono asegento gwatokoreire tutakwebe abanginana kimogo tega
kanana sobera na itu tokageta somo esimingo itu esukuru ya toranda ile university abana baito bare bari kurange guchiare are lakini none transport ya dora bago chero na ndo bono tokagete kiagera university kirangega non transport yo togotumia era abana baito baike sukuru gaiga omwana na bakoruka o abegete gikoro togioka o chotara bakoikamega iga none renti guchikurikia serenti akobera
bono buno moragaro no na mai na kunyete getengerai bado nande twanyorire skuru ga mambingo ja katolega bono ri bagatware gochikoiba bono na batoka nyorega ega zama nginana ki manigo bono ri chosi nyamoko matai asaga asire igo nanda tembe ko gasa mono
ito na liwa kaya tuwa kuiba na itwe ikatoje ma kuchakara mambia tokale ikasi no mutu ndo kwa sine disipre kata batunda mange na jamana onya na chiko kodi tukete chinyike na jamana onya iko bono na kote baba ngaba minto muto bwadisie na ndo tatwa ndamwamu ndageze kiyitu umuntu ndo bwade ndamwamu akwera
but I don't know how to talk lakini na bongo kwa na ine anyway yes of course is here and I need all our children come you are invited to this university
Mancho murigeria no mogoko hasaba menyi benseme ya sebari gandria borki wa kurwa chinsemo ao na boiga sebaga ndere ko gokera magendro kurwa sigatia barai baganda tegwikirania hemero video yuchita kemero ngevere na ya mochi abutokire igoro yensa emo tokwiro mutumo komo kega se studio ya kabere toskare seganjon kure nanda sege kagetari getambe tokandra gwesemya mange
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi asomuro buri gocha bw'uburemi n'ubutugi
abo ase royo cheri na propolis ndaitoge ngorangora ikegero mwanjo munena de komanyanga royo cheri ekeningi
Jumanne chinsebiri chabutuko n'umwiroroye Jumatano chinsaisano nemo chamubaso
chinjoge tigachigwa kyaso bonge akinjetanya msini
obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosari wona yaikireke wango guikaru arigo kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima bwe
SMS number 0706380913. Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburio gukora chingatale ichiobutindu. Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero. Ekira kikiagarira Nsoko TV twachire gutorigesa ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro.
Oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinjira cyago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yawo kwene kingangwe somye uregekoro kyomugusi.
Wetro murobiryo bwigekoro gyeito. Hasitokomera nabaga kabasamwerere naboigabange nabanyika. Iligo kwanero kwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yomugusi.
Kera litsuko ria Ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yawo na mbeye Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira.
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bwomugusi.
Yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko. Nsoko. Yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko. Nsoko ibyengiya yakire ngumanga bunalero.
Omwancho mulire bwa Nsoko TV igetaseni gie Nsoko TV ibwatira senge nchao
kokoletera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi kurime yagusi na isiko yagusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchero lemonda bwensi
korwa se ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietariane Caroline Mausa
korwe county ya Nyamira elietara Nyarike Stephen Embonde
korwa se amajyako ritukira Jumatatu paka ritukira Jumapili. Jeni Gongoro Perpetual machini na nyana Netrobin ya Nsoko TV oboroso bomugusi.
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bomugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho murigeria sense mega ya kabere ya mesa ya mayakoro Nsoko ensa eyamo myamana Nsoko gendra gusangana intwe nabono toko gendra bosia soroboti rondero kubwata kana ne chisemi maega yoko koria buya hase grade ya kianda kurwana konyora chi point emerongene na isano na ibere akorenganirwa nabo igokorangirwa se school ya banyaruka ya Sironga nigo bono moroki wa Samarieta na umenyatara kurwa sensemo ya Nyachoka igotoka se ward ya Bumwagamo he ward ya ensemo ye bunge ya North Mugirango anyarako bakagwe soke na gusaba konyora obokonyi maiga yoko borwa school fees oboroki woyo hobwate omoibori oyomo nigo bona sabira barai kurwa sensemo ya Nyamira kumusira edinda so se grade ya 10 hase school yo ya banyaruka ya Sironga yo aikiranie chindoto cha choko gendria se chiseme
Samarieta ngoro kuna umenyatara ngoro wadi ya Bumwagamo wadi na tari ko Bombo Central na magorobaka na ikaiga na chaka tumambi na ikaiga by saa 7 na kwa tamatem grade 9 ngaika na nyota points 47 na chabona bange Sironga girls na nintondo ikwenyara na nindagira kanu muchando konyoa atata sire 2019 na chanyare ko iyo batomo uwacha na sabangoni uni gavana yetu Amos Nyaribo una Josh Nyamuka ina saramongonye ina kutikira masomo nenchera na kuchiwa soma kana nje konyore kokonye familia yetu ina sabira mongonye ambu kunero ngori twanyi tutukarara ina sabira munyara gangara shopping arafu nefi nero kwende school na abantu bawadimiti ngora igo ngora yandi asarira na sabira mongonye nenjenya ndi school Bombo Central Nyanchoka Ninto mama voka mbwate tata sire 2019 wana ninto ndo ikwenyaro jusi genyo mbaya yete Bwana sengenge anosete nasaba mongonye
nanyo mwana ayigokorera ukire na maguru kumyancho kanse bakagayo okora matemu obirika goita gati nare gusaba kerusa mamanye women lab ega fara yaito esene teito komo mugeni biyongi umutumbe kakimokonyo mwana oyo elindake kobe atokonya abantu ekegorikia amantu
Togosuka bosio mwanchumo rigereria ase roboti ronde nigo bono haba egereri bobwene bwa mwanyabantu banyare koba baguesokia na gukwandra emiroberio yegendreta sense ya Uganda ase bono barokandre ko moche kiombe kerigetendrete obochori ne chimbe ba sense yo ase ogotaine ke emiroberio eri gochokone ke obochori bobwene no bobwasioku ense ya Uganda nigo yeroberite gochiakone ke obochori obonene bokwene ke gochora abara yabara chekone ke akora ense yo.
As the curtains draw in the campaigns for the upcoming general elections in Uganda, we have witnessed what is arguably one of the most violent, chaotic, and controversial campaigns ahead of the voting day on January 15th. Uganda is at a crossroads between the past and the future, the old and the new. Ideally, elections are supposed to be held in an environment that is conducive to a free, fair, credible, transparent, verifiable, accountable election so that the sovereign will of the people can be exercised. The Electoral Commission, led by Justice Simon Mugenyi Byabakama, has managed the affairs of the Commission in a manner that strongly suggests that he is a puppet of the ruling elite. The Electoral Commission has repeatedly denominated candidates of the opposition party from the nomination list, hence giving an unfair advantage to the NRM candidates, some going unopposed. The denomination of candidates from the opposition party goes against the spirit of fair play. The Electoral Commission handed political parties copies of the voter registry, voter register 7 days prior to the general elections, raising fears that the voter register could be tampered with, since there is little time for vetting and authentication of the register. The Electoral Commission, being the body mandated to organize and supervise elections, must be held to account. It's for Kenyans to be aware of what is happening, for them to be woke, so that we avoid a crisis like Tanzania, where thousands of young people have been butchered and nobody is talking about it until today. The same can be replicated in Uganda in the next few days. If we are not cautious, tens of hundreds of young people could be murdered as a result of this election. So what we need is for Kenyans to be aware that there is this process happening in our neighbor. And what we are saying, especially those people who are saying that we need a change of regime even here in Kenya, for us from where we sit, for those who are saying Ruto must go, they must know that for him to go, Museveni must go first. Okay, so it is a concern for us what happens within the region, because what happens in Uganda affects Kenya, and what happens here in Kenya will affect Tanzania. We are a community, an East African community, and therefore I think the onus is for Kenyans to look at this election as if it is our own election, because the outcome of that election affects what happens in Kenya. Yeah.
Down. Down is the operation down.
Toska bosio mwanchumo rigereria umutinyo yokore umutinyo bukubwatoka obosemia igoro yoboruire bwa cervical cancer ni gobono homo director of Bomas of Kenya Purity Kirera oyibo igore neganga yokorigie kerego kyobo jumba sense moye bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii anyara ko bakagwesokya na kuroba seme gochia sabana banyaruka na boigo abasubati koneke bunangwe esokya bare ase chinyagitari au helikwenekia korengwa ase oboroiro oboiga bwa cervical cancer.
Umutinyo yego January igoro umutinyo cervical cancer awareness, yani cancer yelirara mole onongo sababa subati baito bonsi pipipi gusi onsi asiyabeta mugende nyagitari muri gerelirwe cancer yuge kogera ekero ko ye detect mapema konyarore konyora okorwalirwa no kogwenigwa na inde mo togende nyagitari ya KTRH ya referral Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital by ye rigori to have konye go bako bagokora egento gekoro ku pap smear at 1500 bono gegokorwa at 750. So ngosaba abasubati bonsi pi gusi babonchali chi constituency chonsi pi chia gusi tonyare kogenda turingoliwe tokoreru just testing orore gusirira moriria ombuyarire elinde gaki tonyora nga kwabeire n'oburwaire utamanyiti kansekero yamanyiru mapema nkomanyore banyagitari banyara kubwenia wachaka mariogo na chemotherapy mapema sego gaki nko basorora basubati asali na ase obugima bogo chakira n'obugima bogo sokera tobwenete toyarende nande tigatomanyenga virus ekorenta cancer egekoro ku HPV nande HPV yeiga it is a sexual transmitted disease so nande tonyare komanya ngakito kwerenda as chinsemechu
Oscar Bose Mwanjumu rigereria ase etaro ya yase county ya Laikipia muraibuensi ya Kenya William Ruto negati ya barai kurase serikali nene na serikali ya county yo niko bono baikira na senseme yona gosanga nabamenye asumurai bwense hanyarre koba gakogendera kwenekia kuigerera miruberio ya serikali niko bona rokandre ko mochiga tia barai oba kwa miruberio ya serikali kwenekia buna nkobeka bare miruberio yo kokonya serikali eri guchikukirana obokoreri bore obuyasa bananchi korene tari siasa chuko baga bananchi
2024, 2025, 2026, 2027. Wakati mahali walituacha, hawakuacha soko ya Rumuruti imeanza kujengwa. Hawakuacha barabara ya Rumuruti na Nyuki imetangazwa kufanya. Imekuwa tayari itafanya. Hawakuacha mabarabara zetu zote ambaye ni za serikali zote zimetangazwa na ni barabara moja tu rais tunakuomba.
Ile hatari ilikuwa hapa ya ukosefu wa usalama ilikuwa mingi. Lakini tangu uwe rais umefanya kazi na sasa hivi hii Laikipia kuna amani. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Na kwa sababu Rais Ruto sisi watu wa area hii watu ya Laikipia tulikuwa na shida na umetusaidia. Sasa tuko na usalama. Tunasemaje? Tunasemaje?
Hayo shida tulikuwa nayo hapo Laikipia na Kerio Valley mzima kutoka hapa Laikipia, Baringo, Samburu, iende Elgeyo Marakwet. Alianzisha kazi nzuri na kwa uongozi investment ya usalama
who have no alternative plan. They are busy spreading propaganda about the education of our children. I want to tell them, in the last 3 years, we have undertaken phenomenal in the 1,000 teachers other administration.
Mwanjumu rigereria wikiragwo no tuwikira omwerio wemesa ya mayakorwa ensoko ensa ya masobo tukobiga bya mona soko sangana into kuruto gachagete wikatuka chagete wikachiga engia chenkoro kwa Clinton aseri baga riaye Barnabas Sondari na boygo Felicitas Kabendi ko studio ya Kabere paina kema ya to wara imaro bengia na boygo imaro bedia gandata sembeo yenso chinsa isato na gato sanga nyoro mwancho wa Steve Mogaka oyoro mawakili na boigo mujumbe wensemo yebunge ya West Mugirango hiyo kutoka se county ya Nyamira kero twiro bereti gucha gusanga amange hasobo koreri bubura iboge siasa amagendro na boigo hamaganio y'abananchi ekero emyaka 3 ya nyarako bage koera kurwa anyarako bakago chorwa subura itumanyana aria ya aikiraniri na aria tarikirani na boigo amaborio y'abananchi na aria ya kikachinga kecho nyarako bako gusanga ntukurenda sebonega kendra gutwaro gurikiryo